Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am doing a get ready with me for Eid, and this is the makeup look I have came up with. This is a beautiful gold and green makeup which is inspired by my outfit. You can switch up the green color with the color of your outfit and get the same result. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Starting off with moisturizer, so I'm taking this Reequil ciramide and hyaluronic acid moisturizer and I am applying that all over my face. It's a rich moisturizing moisturizer that works really well under makeup. Then taking the face forward primer stick from Sugar Cosmetics and I am applying that onto my inner cheeks, nose, forehead and chin, and then I am blending it out using my fingers. To further prime, I am spraying my face with the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. It will make the makeup long lasting and also give dewy finish to the skin. Next, taking the Colorbar 24-hour weightless liquid foundation and I'm taking 2 pumps of that and applying that using the Mars Cosmetics sponge. I'm in the shade FW 6.4 in this foundation. This foundation gives a natural looking finish to the skin and looks very good in real life as well. Taking the Inside HD concealer in the shade MNY20 and I'm applying that underneath my eyes and on top of the eyelid. And to blend that out, I'm using the same sponge. This concealer dries really quickly and that's the reason I'm working in sections. Then applying the concealer onto the center of my forehead, bridge of the nose and chin, and then blending into my skin. To cream contour, I am taking the NY Bay all-in-one stick in the shade Toast and I am applying that slightly above the hollows of my cheeks and onto my forehead as well, and then blending it out using a small concealer brush. Taking the Mars setting powder in the shade Banana and I'm applying that underneath my eyes, on top of the eyelid, forehead, nose and chin, and I'm leaving the rest of the face as it is. Moving straight into the eyebrows, I'm taking the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer in the shade 3. First I'm brushing my eyebrows and then filling the eyebrows using the product side. Then again brushing the eyebrows with the spoolie to distribute the product evenly. To set my eyebrow hair in place, I'm using the Sculpt and Set Brow Gel from Blue Heaven. This is in the shade Grey and I'm brushing my eyebrows in upward direction. Next I'm taking this Mars Fantasy 15 eyeshadow palette in the shade 1 and I'm picking the light brown shade from this palette and applying that onto my crease. Taking this medium brown shade from the palette and I'm applying that onto my crease using a pointed brush. Then picking the black shade from the palette and I am applying that onto the outer corner of the eye. Taking this shade and I'm applying that to blend the harsh edges of the black color. Then taking this shimmery gold shade and I'm going to apply this onto the 2/3 of my eyelid. I wasn't happy with the intensity of the black shade, so I am here deepening up the outer third of the eye. And here I am blending the harsh edges of that shade using a small fluffy brush. Then taking a cotton pad and I am cleaning the excess eyeshadow and sharpening the eyeshadow a bit. Next up I am taking this Rimmel Exaggerate waterproof eye definer in the shade Emerald Sparkle and I am applying this onto my waterline and also applying it slightly outside my waterline. Taking the NYX Ultimate Shadow palette in the shade Brights, I am picking that green color and applying that onto my lower lash line. It will intensify the green color even more. Then going back to the Mars palette and picking that lightest transition shade and applying that below the green shade. It's time for mascara and I'm taking the Mars Fabulash mascara and I am applying that onto my upper and bottom lashes. Next, I'm gonna apply lashes, and I'm using the Swiss Beauty 3D Studio Effect lashes in the style Amber. Taking the Maybelline Line Tattoo Crayon pen, and I am applying that onto my upper waterline. It's a transfer proof formula, so it won't transfer to the lower waterline and disturb the green color. Moving on to the face, I'm taking the Sugar Contour the Force face palette in the shade Vivid Victory, and I'm picking that bronzer shade from the palette and applying that on top of the cream contour. Also applying it onto the sides of my nose to contour the nose, and little bit onto my forehead as well. To add color onto my cheeks, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine, and I'm applying that onto my cheeks. I'm picking the highlighter shade from the same Sugar palette and applying that onto the tops of my cheekbones. Also highlighting the tip of my nose and the inner corners of my eyes. Picking this matte white shade from the Mars palette and highlighting my brow bone using this shade. Next up, I have the Magic Star liner from Mars, and I'm drawing only the tail of the winged liner and connecting it to the outer third of the lid, not drawing it all the way in. Then I'm lining and filling my lips using the Miss Claire lip liner in the shade Bobby Brown. For lipstick, I have this Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Mini in the shade Strip It Off, and I'm applying it all over my lips. Lastly, I'm setting my makeup using the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And that's about it. I love the way it turned out. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and don't forget to subscribe. That's all from me for now, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye!